Sabi nila, in every success of a man, no, behind him is a woman. And I think ito yung the woman behind, no, the very life and the mission of Saint Augustine. Nakikita ko rito, si Chinchin lang ata ang may anak. No? Okay. Mag-cellphone niya pa. Okay. So, ano ba yung special about this mother, father? No? Well, I think two things. Very short insights lang, no, sa buhay ni Saint Monica. For close to 3 decades ang kanyang sakripisyo, ang kanyang pananaghoy, no? Sabi nila, ilang balde ng luha, no? Ang tumulo sa mga mata ni Saint Monica, no? Just to, eto nga, no? That conversion of Saint Augustine will happen. So, ganyan talagang katagal at nagsakripisyo itong mother na ito, no? And I think that's one insight that I want to stress today. Diba? Hindi agad-agad kung minsan binibigay ng Diyos yung ating pangangailangan. Hindi agad-agad sinasagot ng Diyos. Pero kung minsan pag hindi natin nababago yung ibang tao, no? For example, yung mga ibang ina, ibang tatay, no? They want to change their children. Pero kung minsan parang walang nangyayari. But here, we could see how, no, the mother of Saint Augustine, Saint Monica, talagang she persisted, no? She prayed, she loved, and of course, she waited for so many years, no? And she trusted in God. And I think, importante sa atin yan. Kung minsan, diyan tayo masusubok. No, maganda siguro ang panalangin natin pag parang walang nangyayari sa mga panalangin natin, mga efforts natin, paglalapit natin sa Panginoon. Maybe we can tell the Lord, Lord, you know, I do not understand what is happening. Okay? I cannot fully comprehend what is happening. But I choose to trust in you. Yan ang importante. Yung pagtitiwala natin sa Diyos. And I think the very life of Saint Monica echoes, no, this beautiful insight, no, continuously trusting that God is always here. Na parang wala siyang ginagawa, no. In silence, God is really working quietly. At kung minsan may binabago siya sa atin. And second insight, no, aside from, of course, no, that persistent and trust in the Lord dito sa buhay ni Saint Monica. Pangalawa, hindi lamang siya naghintay. Hindi lamang siya nagtiwala. No? She remained faithful as a mother. No? Kaya nga sabi ng ating Panginoon, stay awake, for you do not know which day your Lord will come. Kasi this is not passive waiting. This is not passive trusting. We should be active as we wait, no? As we trust in the Lord. Kaya nga, sabi ng ating gospel ngayon, stay awake. May gagawin pa rin tayo, no? At sabi nga dito, who then is the faithful and prudent servant whom the master has put in charge of his household to distribute to them their food at the proper time? Faithful and prudent. So, trust plus being faithful. Ito yung everyday gawin pa rin natin yung tama. Kasi kung minsan pag hindi na tayo binigyan ng, no, mga biyaya o kaya ang feeling natin nakalimutan na tayo ng Diyos, ay hindi na natin gagawin yung tama. Hindi na natin gagawin yung mabuti. Lalong-lalo na kung walang nakakakita. But no, remain, stay, and continue to do what is right before the Lord in spite of the fact that yes, we are waiting. We are patiently persevering. And seemingly parang kuminsan, hindi siya sumasagot. God is always here. Importante, no, as we wait, let us do our job. Let us do what is expected of us. No, so that we can be one of those faithful and prudent servants, no, whom our gospel today, no, is referring to. To end my homily, I was reminded by a story about Saint Monica. No? Sa klase daw, religion, tinanong nung teacher, sabi niya, if you are given one chance, no? One wish to choose, okay, a relic from among the saints. Yan. Ano yung pipiliin nyo? Nagtas yung isang kamay. Gusto ko po yung habit ni St. Francis, no? May relic ako dyan. Okay? Oo, maganda, ganda. Sabi niya, no? So may mga, si Padre Pio, sana po yung isang libro niya, no? Relic din yan, di ba? O, yung iba, yung buhok ng isang santo. Pero yung pinakahuli, ito yung sinabi niya. Na kung minsan siyempre, paano mo makakapture? Ang sabi niya, if I'm given the chance, no, to make one wish to be granted regarding one relic of a saint, sabi niya, ito yung sinabi niya. Gusto ko, sabi niya, isang kapatak na luha ni Saint Monica. Wow. Paano mo i-capture yun, no? Siguradong matutuyo yun. Pero gusto ko po, sabi niya, yung kahit na isang kapatak lang ng luha ni Saint Monica. And I think, totoo. Because this mother is really a remarkable person, a Christian. And at the same time, ito nga, a mother, no, sa kanyang mga anak, especially Saint Augustine. Sana, no, kahit na isang kapatak lamang ng kanyang mabubuti at magagandang asal at ugali nitong santang ito, no, let us imitate her, especially her perseverance in trust in the Lord, and at the same time, her faithfulness to God. May Saint Monica help us, no, and may she intercede us through her prayers, so that we too may grow in our perseverance in faith, and at the same time, our everyday living in faithfulness. Amen.